Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartboard feeder camera has a weak signal, you may notice slow live video, delayed notifications, buffering, or the camera going offline from time to time. Even if the feeder is working perfectly, a poor Wi-Fi connection can affect nearly every feature, including recordings and motion detection. The distance from your router, walls, trees, and other wireless devices can all reduce signal quality. Before moving the feeder or replacing your equipment, there are several simple adjustments that can make a noticeable difference. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can try to improve your smartbird feeder camera signal strength. 1. Place the feeder closer to your Wi-Fi router or mesh node. 2. Connect the camera to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for better range. 3. Keep the camera away from thick walls and large metal objects. 4. Install a Wi-Fi extender if the feeder is far from the router. 5. Restart the router and reconnect the camera. 6. Check the signal level in the app and test the live view.